one of these PDX rounds, 410, with the copper disc in it. I'll be shooting it through a Rossi single shot at a cantaloupe, going for the wound cavity, wound channel, and see what it does. And just curious how many jugs it goes behind it. And there you are. Alright, as you see, we have the entry right there, and the exit. Killing it, definitely killing it. Now we have little pieces of copper, the BBs that's in it, in the first jug. We have one of the discs right there, that got hammered. There we go. So I went into the first one. We got another disc. We actually got two discs in the next jug. And it stopped. A little bit stronger than the Super X, but nicely done as well.